we're getting the shop, but I want to share some with you. You know, I shop on Amazon a lot, and I'm sure a lot of you guys do, or eBay, and order a lot of stuff. And perhaps you heard of this new site called Temu. Well, my wife orders off of it, and I was kind of skeptical. In the beginning, I was looking at it. This looked like it had a lot of cheaper stuff. But then it started having a lot of products for us guys. So I was on Amazon. I was looking for, somebody showed a light, a banded light to put on a welding helmet. And another one was, you saw them on Facebook ads, and it was a full mask. So I looked them up on Amazon. Here's the full mask. They're like 12 bucks a piece, I think. Some places 24. The other one was this banded light. I'll show you. It's like 12 something, or they sell them in packages of 2 for $24. Well, my wife kept saying, go to Temu, go to Temu. So I went to Temu, and I saw both of these on there. So I went in and ordered them. Now, the difference between Amazon and Temu, and I did a lot of digging and stuff, you know, by experience, and my wife counseling me on this, was Temu takes about 10 to 14 days to get stuff. So if you're patient and you can wait, yeah, it's no big thing. Sometimes I've been ordering some little things on it, because I do artwork too. So I'd order some little, try out some pens and stuff, and I forget. Next thing you know, they're here. And they normally get delivered by United States Postal Service. And if you order a bunch of things, they come bundled together. The catch is the shipping is free, but you got to buy basically $10 worth. But sometimes they got all kinds of things on there. You spin a dial and you get a discount or whatever. So I decided to try an order on it for some stuff that I was going to order anyway from Amazon. And I'm sure it comes from the same exact factories or suppliers that people that sell on Amazon go and buy large bulks of it and resell it on Amazon. So I'm just going to show you what I got. And one thing I did get, I had my wife order it, I got it, and it was a high-powered cigarette lighter for your cell phone. And it stopped working after a couple of days. I was like, well, there you go, blah, blah, blah. So my wife says, no. Just reply back on there that it didn't work. So I replied back, and they said, just take a picture of it. I took a picture of it, sent them the picture right off my phone. Everything was done, well, off my wife's phone. And bam, they gave us a credit, just like that. So I didn't have to ship it back or anything like that. So let me show you what I ordered and I'll give you a kind of difference in the price, all right? One thing is, remember I was telling you these full masks, all right? I bought this, and what I buy it for is on my lift. Sometimes, I'm working on equipment or cars that have mud or have caked on grease and dirt. And I wear safety glasses, or sometimes I was wearing these bigger shields, okay? And they're bulky and they're hard to get in someplace. I wear these when I'm driving, okay? I'm about to show you a surprise on that. So this is very lightweight. I put it on, I'm gonna tell you the price, and you just can't, you put it on, there you go. It's like wearing in the fire service what we call an SCBA mask. Basically, it fits around there. Even on my beard, it fits. And it doesn't fog up because it's got ventilated holes in it. Now, on Amazon, it's like $12.50 or something like that. All right? On this Temu site, it's like, I can't hold me to it, $2.50 up until about $3 and some cents. So, and they got things where you can buy for the same price as Amazon. You probably could buy 3, and you just throw them around your shop. That's just my 2 cents. But this other thing that guys are showing as magic on Facebook and Amazon, all this stuff, I said, and another guy showed it on his welding helmet. So I'm going to show you this. Let me stop this, take this off so we can film it. All right, we're back. I barely put it over the welding helmet. I'll take it off and show it to you, okay? But this has got multiple features that it was confusing to me at first. This took me, oh man, this took me a couple seconds to figure it out. It's got this one button, you click on it, all right? And you just wave your hand on the side. So if you had welding gloves on, you would wave it, it would come on. Wave it, it would come off. The same thing goes if I was to put it on my baseball cap and put it around here or put it around here. If you wave it with your hand, you got greasy gloves, it'll come on, come off. All right, let me take it off here. Then it's got some other buttons on. Now it's got this light beam on it, see? And this is like a silicone rubber. Let me shut it off so it doesn't blare the pen. There it is, see? And it's got two different setting lights. There's the bright, there's the medium. All right, that one on the side, it has a flashlight, LED flashlight. And then, let me get these buttons right. I'm not looking at them. There you go, it's got two different levels of this. They've got other ones on there. They got red lights on it and white. I won't lie to you, if you're camping, something like that, or running at night, I could go on forever, the uses of this. It's comfortable, goes around your head, and you flip this other button, and that's where it makes it where on this same side, you say, it shuts it on and off, right, by movement. It has a motion sensor on the side, right? And like you could put it on your baseball cap, and you got just a band, but I'm not going to. There you go, see, just a band, it's off. But there's all kinds of uses. You know, I'm going to ball and hits, I'm going to put it on there, whatever. You know how much this is? It's a magical like $2 to $3, all right? Amazon, $12. If you got a deal for, I don't know, if it's like $6, you get 3 of them if you want. Trust me, let me tell you what you do with this. It comes in a really small box, and it has a USB charger which could be plugged into your cigarette lighter and charge it. You would buy one of these, keep it in its little original box because it comes in a small box all wrapped up like that. Throw it in the glove box. You ever break down or someone else breaks down, you got something, or if you got a, you know, whatever, you need a flashlight. You got one of those for that price. And this is siliconized. This whole thing is siliconized, so it's comfortable to wear. On a welding helmet, you gotta pull it down a little further and tighten it up. That's for you to figure out how to do it, but it can be done. Why do it, right? And everybody's got a different style welding helmet, I know. And you can, you know, there's guys that mount lights on the top here or whatever. Anyway, I'm just trying to tell you off the site Temu, there's 2 things I got. And by the way, I made another order on my wife's thing for the same charging deal. I got it, it works fine. They credit you right then and there. You know. So, what it is you're buying basically from the suppliers overseas. Amazon, you're buying most likely from someone who bought from the suppliers and re-ups it by 50 to 100%. All right, so I'm always trying to save you money. So I'm going to order some more stuff, and I order some more stuff. I'll show you the stuff. You know, at these prices for these things like this, you can buy one for your dad, for your buddy, for your uncle, for your husband. There's all kinds of uses for useful things. All right, and they're cheap. They're better than the dollar store stuff, please. I'm telling you that. I'll put a link in the description of the place. And there is some things about, if you put it on your phone, you can do it from the app. I do it from a desktop, but 90% of the people use their phone or a tablet for everything. My wife uses her tablet for everything. Me, I'm a desktop guy. All right, that's just me. I like to see things bigger because I'm old. God bless you. See you on the next one. It's just a little tidbit in the shop of where I get stuff. They are trying to upgrade the Temu to start. It's trying to compete with Amazon and trying to get higher and higher and higher end things. Right now, a lot of smaller stuff's on there. So I also watch their stock. It's not called Temu, it's PDD. If you're an investment guy, look it up. watch it. I'm not telling you to buy nothing. No. I'm just saying, watch it. It may be the Amazon of the future. Maybe throw a couple bucks at it, and you know, you can buy fractional shares through Robinhood or Webull, and roll the dice. Buy some fractional shares. Don't even look at it again. 10, 20 years from now, who knows? It might be the same price as Amazon. Anyway, I'm done with it with you guys today. God bless you, man. And to all of you that have been watching my channel, and lately one stupid video I made of a tree, I explained to you about not seeing the damage on it. It's apparently gone viral, and it's just a short. You just don't know what catches people's attention. I'm getting all positive comments on it, negative comments on it, but you know what? This is America. You can say anything you want to say to me. It won't offend me. I just put little points of view out there, and you know what? The great thing about America is we can agree to disagree. Am I right? So, family, love you guys. See you on the next one, all right?